What we've witnessed is an invisible interest rate hike in the U.S., which is the largest economy in the world. When we look at in 2011, the peak to today, we've had a huge move in what they call interest rates. 10-year government minus the inflationary rate gives you the real interest rate. And that has moved from negative 3% to positive 2.5%. Anytime you've had such a move, that impacts all emerging economies and all commodities. And I believe, in my presentation this morning, that we're experiencing a reversal. When we look back over the past 15 years at money being spent around the world in mining, it's $1 trillion. Of that $1 trillion, $300 billion went into iron ore, and $300 billion went into coal. Most of the money that went into coal was called met coal. Met coal you need to make steel with the iron. So we've spent $600 billion, and there's lots of iron ore and met coal for the next decade. A lot less money went into copper, a lot less money went into gold, and substantially less went into zinc and lead. So I think as the world continues to have babies and grow, we'll see the demand pick up, in particular for copper and for gold and for zinc. Well, I hope that the mayor of Buenos Aires wins the elections in the runoff, because Argentina is so rich with resources and great people and just poor government. And that would be a country that would have huge opportunity. I've made a lot of money for our shareholders investing in Argentina. I think that Peru is a fantastic country. I think that Colombia struggles. It struggles with so much taxation with their finance minister, Cardonas. It's too difficult right now. And I think Ecuador looks a little more attractive when it comes to resources in Latin America. Last was Brazil. Brazil has so much iron ore and it's going to have difficulties. And they have lots of issues with corruption. They have to clean up their act, as they would say. But it's a rich country with people. And my investments there have predominantly been in the airline industry. The richest man in America always is also famous for his philosophical statements. His name is Warren Buffett. And Warren Buffett said, life is all about managing expectations. And he went on to talk about investments in that capacity. And then he said, same thing with marriage. If you want to have a long-lasting marriage, have low expectations. And everything is great on the upside. So this conference, I didn't have high expectations, and it is fantastic. It truly is a great event of people meeting and networking and quality speakers, the caliber of other speakers. I've had the opportunity of emceeing this morning, and I learned a lot, so it was excellent.